lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another wig making tutorial, and for today's wig I'm going to be making use of this hair that a seller from Amazon sent to me. It's written on it Xtrend. You can see Xtrend hair, okay, and it has their social media details and their website on it, okay. A seller sent me this hair for a review. In this beautiful packaging we have Butterfly Locs, as you can see. Let's open and see how it looks like. Here is it, Butterfly Locs in color 27, and it comes in 18 inches, okay, color 27 and 18 inches. So they sent me 6 packs of this. They sent me 6 packs of this, and it also comes with crochet hook and some rubber bands. You can see it there, black rubber bands in here. So 6 packs, and each pack contains 12 strands of butterfly locks, okay, 12 strands of butterfly. So all this quantity is enough for one head, okay. So today I decided to make a wig with it, and I'm going to make a hairband wig. For my hairband wig, I'll be making use of this wig cap. It's already sewed down. You can see the band is already sewed down on it. This is how I bought it. I got this from AliExpress, okay. You can, if you don't have this, you are free to use your normal wig cap. You can use your normal wig cap, then you sew down your headband. You get the same result. This is a hairband, then a normal wig cap. So you sew it down normally. I have a tutorial on my video where I use this method, okay. I'll leave the link in the description area. So for today I'm going to use this already made headband. You see how it looks like. It fits all head. You just adjust it the way you want it to tie it, okay. So keep watching to see how this wig will turn out, okay guys. And also, in case you are interested in this hair, I'll leave the link to where you can purchase it in the description area, okay. Continue watching to see how the wig will turn out.
Now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married. And for me, I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. I'm so amazing to love them all. That's not what I see. Look what I got. Look what you taught me. Yeah, for that I say thank you. for my
I'm done with the wig making, and this is how it turned out. Very lightweight. You can see how long the 18 inches looks. And here is the front. This is the band, okay? Very lightweight and full. I so much like the final look. You can go ahead and beautify the wig with some colorful headband like these ones, okay? Here is it. That brings us to the end of today's video. As I said earlier, the link to this hair will be in the description area in case you are interested, okay? Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Thought it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky. Now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married. And for being I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel.